The View Editor is a new module of Openflexo. You first need to create a folder to store your views. Let us name it here Organizational Unit. Once the folder is created, you can create a new view by selecting it from the list of predefined viewpoints. On this example, you have two predefined viewpoints from which to choose. Let's choose Organizational Unit A. This opens up the View Editor itself. We start by drag-dropping the root organizational unit, let's call it HR department, and enlarge its size. Inside the HR department, we drag-drop the mission concept that describes the mission of the department. We drag the position concept for HR manager. We then drag-drop elements inside the HR department for the sub-organizational units. HR career, HR administrative, and HR communication. We then specify the task associated with the HR manager, HR policy, supervised HR employees, etc. Eventually, objectives can be associated with each subunit: career, administrative side, and communication. Every time we drag-drop an element from the palette, we actually instantiate a concept from the underlying ontology. Switching to the ontology perspective, we can see these different concepts and statements, and we can manipulate them exactly as with a classical ontology editor. These concept instances can also be visualized in another view. Let us select the viewpoint Organization B. This opens up a different view. When drag-dropping an element from the palette, instead of creating a new instance, we can choose to select an existing one, for example, from the list of concepts created in the previous view. This tree of organizational units can be easily created by an existing graph of concepts. An identical model can be represented differently in different views.